All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I'm chilling, bro. I'm out here getting my tan on, grounding, looking at the sun like a plant. But, oh, dude, I got a great video. You have no idea. We're going to talk about the number one thing for the economy. This is going to make or break everything. And all you young guys, everybody out there telling you you left behind, you fell behind, you're too late. Don't believe them. Don't get mad at the boomers because this is your opportunity and you better lock in and understand it. So we're going to go over that. Then I got a Waymo vlog for you. A Waymo almost got me arrested. So you guys could take a look at that. And then I'm going to go over these dates actually. So I might as well give them to you now. I know we've been on members only, but I said this channel will be easy to follow from the long term all the way to important information. And this is it right here. Pretty much from July till September or even June. G7 is in a couple dates. We'll hear about Canada and all of that. But you can see here the date for the spending bill. We have a deadline there. The reciprocal's ending. You even end it with the FOMC. This is going to kind of be a broader policy calendar that you can follow. So watch out for that. Now, speaking of the members only, I think we should do that to talk about everything because I made this video 4 weeks ago on this channel. Easy to follow, and people got mad. Trump supporters, non-Trump supporters. I thought I was being respectful about it and explaining it very easily. I was like, bro, they're spending a lot of money. Very simple, very objective. I told you what I still support, what I don't, and what part I didn't like about it. And then, ironically enough, 4 weeks later, we watch Elon Musk and everybody freak out about it. So the spending bill is important. And my stance has been the same. And I've been telling you, and I forgive all of you. Let's not get mad. Let's get rich. This is what I'm saying because if you understand what it is and how it's going to play out, this is going to be your opportunity. And if you set up accordingly, that's all that really matters. It sucks with the politics sometimes, but like I told you, you got to protect yourself, protect your family, and your future. So, that being said, now, what matters is the spending bill. And what you should be asking right now, right here today, is whether or not by July 4th, do they keep the bill they have now, or do we get a bigger one, a smaller one? And depending on that, that dictates everything. Why? Because this is what I was saying with Biden, everybody, even down till now, all that matters is the spending. And we saw it in the last 4 years. Even if the economy slows down, if they're spending a ton of money, things are going to hold up, and vice versa. If that money wasn't there, it'd be easier to fall into a recession and or a deeper recession that you don't really turn out of as quickly. So long story short, man, if we have a spending bill like the one we have as of now, I think things are going to be very bullish because they are spending a crap ton of money. So, and then if that ever came lower, then that would be the bearish outcome essentially. So that's the first big part, and that's something I really want you guys to understand. And now the next thing, and everyone's like, okay, well then do we go buy a bunch of assets? No, because as of now, that's a B. As of right now, the bill stands. It's different than what we saw last time. Last time they were spending a lot and there was a lot of direct payments and things that affected asset prices. This time, $3 trillion of it, the one that Trump wants, is a tax cut. So if interest rates are still up and you get a tax cut, that's going to play out on real estate a little differently. So we'll see what factors, and that's what I'm pretty much watching for. Pretty much when we know what happens July 4th, then we're going to know where the money's going to go, and then we're going to start positioning accordingly. But I will tell you, it's not going to be like what you saw during COVID. It's easy to assume, okay, everything's going to go up. No, and even this bill, a lot of it is just previous commitments from the last administration, and then the interest payments. The reality, again, we pay $1 trillion a year. So that's also included into it. And then the SALT deductions, the Democrats would not do anything unless they got that. So this is money going to various places. Is that going to affect their stocks and real estate and other opportunities? It's hard to say. So broadly speaking, we have a general idea. It will affect stocks and real estate eventually, and that's what we're going to keep our eyes out for. But now, too broadly, the number one thing I'm saying here, economy, the market, are things going to hold up and stay good? If you get a big bill, and who knows, unless something really, really bad happens in the world, like another COVID event, they're spending that much money, man. Yeah, it's going to be hard to have a slow economy. So I've been saying that again. I don't really agree with it. I do view it as like Donald Trump just saw Joe Biden spend all that money, and I think he's like, let's see what I'll do. I'll show you what I'll do with it. But yeah, it's not pop. Like we said, the spending cuts are unpopular, but this is a very popular bill because everybody is getting paid. So like I'm saying, feel however you want about it, but over the next couple of years, if we start watching money spent, created, and all of that, this is going to be the opportunity. Or if you don't listen to it and make mistakes off of it, this could end up hurting you and leaving you behind. So at the end of the day, though, you're not behind. And anytime money gets spent like this and is injected into the economy, that is going to be your opportunity. Oh man, I hope you feel me. So Chad, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of this video now. You can watch the Waymo. And again, I hope you have the calendar dates as well. We'll go over pretty pictures and all that tomorrow, and I'll see you in the morning, baby. But yeah, here is Google trying to kill me. Cactus, you should know where we're at. I don't even know what I was gonna show you, but we're gonna do this Waymo bullshit. I'm terrified. I'm terrified, Chad. Do you know where I am? Does anybody know? Alright, man, it's 2 minutes away. You know it's more expensive than a Lyft SUV with 10 times chase points. This is not a sponsored post. Oh man, I'm terrified. I'm like actually scared. It's her idea. Man, my girl asking me to intervene with a guy yelling at her. I'm like, you have two choices right now. I risk my life in this Waymo, or I risk my life in an altercation with drunk people. Okay? I say Waymo. Okay, I'll pray for him. Holy fuck, it's mine. Look at it, it said GG, bro. I made it say GG. Yeah, unlock. Oh shit! While I'm recording. Go, baby. Go.
Hi.
Yo, no one in here? Oh, hello, brother.
That's my name on the screen.
No. Start the ride.
Hello, from Waymo.
Google. Oh, he just take off! Oh, you. I ain't listening to the safety drill, bro.
Need to buckle up is the same as always.
Oh, yeah, I should. I didn't even buckle up. You took off too quick. Oh, hell no. We gonna die. I'm sorry, Google. Fuck Google. I'm praying to Jesus. Jesus, protect this computer. This demon. Look at it.
We may use interior cameras. Check on riders, improve our product.
Oh, they're looking at me. Yeah, I'm tripping, man.
They're only on when you're connected.
I said YouTube. I love you,
So
YouTube.
sing your heart out. We
Sing-
can't hear you.
Okay, well, don't put me. I did not give my consent.
For passenger screen.
They already took my consent.
Support agent at any time.
It's chill so far, bro.
In the rare case of an emergency,
This is
please
crazy.
keep your seatbelt fastened and remain in the car unless there's an urgent need to exit.
Don't leave the car.
We'll connect with you and provide
Dude,
assistance.
it already just, it took us so fast. It didn't even let you think about it.
Thank you for riding with us.
You know that? Like, I think that's a psychological, like,
Pull over.
yeah, you could press pull over. That's insane. I still can't believe this is happening, bro. It just got into this. I feel like I'm being assaulted. I wanted it. I didn't even have time to say no. This is gonna feel so wrong when I get out. Well, this is working, Chad. Holy shit. It's more expensive than the SUV, though. I ain't gotta tip him. I don't know, and he's gonna ask still. But look at this.
Except, like, people who are walking.
I'm not even like, look in front of you, baby. Don't look at the computer. We gon' die! Why are you looking at this? We gon' die! There's no one there! Oh, shit. It has driven better than me so far, honestly. This is kind of... Oh, you need wiper fluid, dog?
He does?
I think. Is that what it said? Yeah, you need... Yo, somebody feed my boy, bro. This is crazy. I'm just making sure we don't die, you guys. This ain't even a YouTube video. This is just in case I die. This actually hits, though. Look at him. Signaling and shit. Okay. Oh, you want that lane? Okay. Ah!
You picked a good lane.
It's very impressive. He did. He stopped good. Just see. Everybody look at you. Everybody look. He said, look at everybody, this is crazy. Yeah, you can. Look at the people. Let's see. Everybody filming like it's a Cybertruck. They don't care. She can't. Oh no, they still got it looking. Are you playing the music? I can't believe it. So it's still chilling out the light. This is a pretty busy interview. Why are you doing this? What is the point of tsunami right? We need to fight for our lives. Okay, barrier. No, he actually doing decent, bro. This is amazing. Oh, very smooth. Honestly, it drives pretty good.
Yeah. Drives better.
It hasn't been faced with a difficult scenario, and I don't want it to be. But not bad, like pretty smooth. It kind of accelerate and stop kind of more humanly, even though it's an EV. Because this is an EV, right? That's a camera in the middle.
There's one there too.
Yeah,
Hi.
we're watching you.
Hi.
So listen, Google, while I have you, can you guys fix the financial bot problem? Every time people post a financial video, thousands of bots promote scams and then impersonate creators. But then if you go to any of the main YouTube financial channels or like news websites, none of them have that. Can you fix that? And then stop it where people take advantage of the abuse report system. Okay? I don't know if now's a good time to talk about it while I have you. I still love you guys. It's all love.
Make it pull over.
Do you want to make it pull over?
Kind of. I want to see what happens.
Maybe. I think it's going to pull over. What do you think? Do you think Navy SEALs are going to rescue you? What do you... This is not...
Maybe.
There's nobody here to save us. You have to call customer support.
I can't.
I don't want to talk this... No, this... But look at it, bro. There's people like next to it. That's a Tesla. I'm sorry, Elon. Elon, well, I didn't mean to enter this car. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Is this a sin? I never owned Tesla stock. I'm just saying. I own Uber, though.
This car must be so easy to dominate if you're like trying to cut it off.
So easy to dominate. I wonder. Nobody's tried. No one's bullied
we've
us.
been cut off like a couple times.
Oh, I've been too enamored with the fact no one's driving.
Has he ever run the light? I wonder.
Do it, car. Come on, you won't do it, pussy. But it's all like straight roads out here. So it's like chilling. It's not like crazy.
What happens if I get into the driver's seat?
I think it stabs you. I think it's... Said wrong day.
I like it. I'm a fan.
Alright, I'm kind of over this. Until I die. Alright, oh shit, I did not mean to put on the flash. But no driver gonna stare at me weird.
For your safety,
Dude,
the doors
this
will
is
not
actually
lock
like
on
it
your own.
detected speed
Pull
bumps.
the handle twice to
It did it,
The
bro.
first pull unlocks.
This is
The
insane.
second opens the
Bro, it did it. Look at he dipping. How's he gonna get to it? I can't believe it, bro. He dropped me off. He really did that. Yeah, that thing's crazy. See? Dog, we get into this shit, it smells like throw up and there's a fucking beer.
Connected to
Yo,
rider support.
there's a
This
beer
call
in
may
this
be recorded
vehicle
for
and we
quality
want to
assurance.
leave. There's alcohol in the car and it smells like throw up.
Hi, this is.
The car smells like
Oh,
throw up
I
and
do
there's a
apologize
beer
for
in
that.
the vehicle. I would like to, and it stopped us in the middle of the road too. We're getting out.
I
So here's a better angle. Yeah, no one's driving. My boy Waymo. We've taken it a couple times now. Besides the beer incident, it's been decent.